Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a very interesting unboxing for you, something that came in from MXG Gear, I believe it is, or MXG Gear, I forget. Well, let's open it up. I'm going to open it up today with my McNees MAC2 3.5 Auto, and this is in the black aluminum handles with the MagnaCut blade, hollow grind, beautiful hollow grind, crazy sharp. All right, let's get right into this. Did I get through that? Hell, I didn't, so let's try that again. There we go. All right. Oh, there's a receipt. Let's take a look at that. Okay. All right, and that's it for the box. All right, so we'll throw that over there. All right, so we have MX Gear. Yeah, sorry about that, MX Gear. I ordered this clip, and I'm kind of excited. This is a clip for, it's kind of an in-between clip. I'm kind of holding it for now, but it is a clip for a ZT, but I'm told that this will fit this knife right here. So we're gonna go ahead and try that, okay? So before I do that, let me go get my screwdriver. I forgot to bring that. And I have my screwdriver, and this is a T8, I'm pretty sure. So what we need here is a T8. And we'll take this out of the, I guess, bag first. Let's just make sure it even lines up. Because if it doesn't line up, you won't see this video. But if it does, we're gonna do it. All right, so let's see. Alright, so this should fit. Let's see, let's get a nice close look up. Do the screws line up? They do. Alright, so I want to see if they're the same thread, and they're not. Alright, so I'm not going to be able to use the ZT screws. Hopefully these will make it through, and we'll give that a try. See if they can fit through this. Alright, they look like they do. Alright, we're going to give it a try and see what happens here. All right, so we'll do the next one here. Looks like it's lined up, is it? Hopefully it is. All right, I'm going to loosen this up first a little bit, and then we're going to go back to this one. Make sure we can get those screws threaded in first. Now, I will tell you that Lynch clip is in the process of actually making a very specific clip for the McNees knife. All right, so there we go. Ooh, yeah, I think I like that. All right, so that's the deep carry clip. It's going to be about yay deep, which is much nicer. And I do like what I have over here. It is titanium. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. We don't want to strip it or anything, but just make sure it's secure. Yeah, it's good. All right, so I do like this clip. It's very thin, and it's a nice piece of aluminum, but this is just a little bit nicer. Let's feel it in the hand. How does it feel grip-wise? Yeah, it doesn't hurt. It's not digging in or anything. I like the look of it. It looks really nice. It complements this one really well. Now you can see where that clip definitely goes in right there. It's got a little angle to it. So it's going to go right over here. Unfortunately, there's nothing much I can do about that unless I had it right away to switch out. But there you go. So that's the clip right there. We're going to have to give that a try, but give you a nice close look at that. That is the ZT clip, and I'll make sure I'll post that in the description down below. Let me see if my receipt has that information. Hold on one second. All right, I'm back. So I'm going to look at the receipt here. See what it says. Yeah, so this is the custom-made titanium deep carry pocket clip for the zero tolerance ZT450. It is the black powder coating, and the part number is 302164, 302164. Okay, so that's the one that I got. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, how about that? We'll do that. So that's the part that I ordered, and it does work. It does work. It's not probably as nice as the one that they're making. I know Lynch is making one, but then I also know McNees, with some of their newer knives, they're going to come out with a custom clip. So that's really cool. I mean, you can definitely tell it's not quite the same shade. This is a black powdered coat, and this is black on aluminum. It almost has a blue tint to it, and this is a darker black. So we'll see if that matches up over time, if the color kind of matches up. But I do like that. So like that, it'll be carrying like that in the pocket. So to show you, when it hangs in the pocket, it's going to hang like that inside the pocket, going in toward the pocket like that. So it's going to push against there, which is nice. I do like that. Very cool. Yeah, and it's pretty comfortable, both left and right-handed. Yeah, definitely. So if I flick it over here, yeah, definitely. Very cool. Very cool. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. So that's a little short bonus video here that I wanted to put together, just me trying this out. We'll see how this works, if this holds up really well and everything works out all right for me for this. And definitely will recommend this. Not going to be a review on this. This is just a clip replacement, but I did want to share this with you. Kind of see if some of you guys who may have this knife were looking for maybe a deep pocket carry clip. Here's a valid option for you. And pretty excited about that. They get that from MX Gear, MXGear.com. So go check them out if you haven't already. Definitely very cool. MXGear.com. This is where I got this part from. Now I will tell you, McNees uses different screws. These are T6s for the ZT, so they're not going to work at all. So you have to make sure you take good care of the screws you got, or you're going to have to buy new screws, right? Because the screws you get with that one is not going to be useful. You have to use your original screws or buy extra McNees screws, because those are T8s. But they work, and the clearance I mean, that's about the only thing that's going to be an issue. You see how it's pretty rounded screws. It's not pretty flattened, and they're not flushed or anything. So that's my only concern. I'm going to see how that works, if that's a problem catching on the screw, but they are rounded. I'm hoping that'll get around that issue. But, you know, I won't know until I start carrying this. And if that's a problem, then I may take this off and, you know, not use it. But I wanted to give it a try at least, and I thought it'd be worth trying to see if I would like this or not. Definitely something I think could be explored, at least for this particular knife. Anyways, so that's it. That is the MX Gear deep pocket carry clip. All right. Again, I showed you the, you know, carry wise, maybe not a ton of space. You might catch a little bit here, but they are rounded. So I'm hoping that'll be okay. That's about the only concern with thicker pants, but there you go. All right, well, hey, thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button down below and the like button. Both the subscribe and the like button really helps out our channel a lot, and helps me to get more content, more things for the channel. It really helps me to do more, so I really appreciate that. And if you've liked this content and you enjoyed what you're watching, maybe consider hitting the notification button so you can be notified of future content as I drop it for future videos. And if you've liked all of that, maybe check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. That's robs_nerdy_knives on Instagram. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.